In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Jira. To get started, open Jira and make sure you are on the main dashboard or landing page where you can access your projects. From there, look over to the left side menu. This is where Jira keeps the main navigation options, and it's the easiest place to begin when you want to customize how a project works. Next, go to Project Spaces and select the specific space or project where you want to add your custom field. Once you've chosen the correct one, click the three dots next to it to open more options. From that menu, choose Space Settings or Project Settings, depending on the version of Jira you are using. This area is where you control the structure and setup of the project. So it's the right place for adding new fields. After that, look at the sidebar menu inside the Settings area and click on Work or Issue Types. The wording may vary slightly, but this is where you manage the different kinds of issues used in the project. Now select the specific issue type you want to customize, such as a story, bug, or task. This step is important because custom fields are often added to particular issue types, so you'll want to make sure you are editing the right one. Once you are inside that issue type, move to the right-hand side and click Create a Field. Jira will show you a list of field types to choose from. For example, you might select short text for brief entries, paragraph for longer descriptions, date for deadlines or scheduling, or number for values that need to be tracked numerically. Choose the field type that best matches the kind of information you want your team to enter. After selecting the field type, review it and drag the field into the Fields area. This is how you place it into the issue layout so it appears where users can actually fill it in. Then enter the field name clearly and make it easy to understand, since this will help your team use it consistently. Finally, click Save Changes at the bottom to save the new field. If you need more than one custom field, just repeat the same process again for each additional field you want to add. That's it. Thanks for watching.